1st of January is supposed to feel hopeful, but mine did not. I had been waiting 2.5 months for my stock. Every time I used to ask my manufacturer, she would say that it will be dispatched today and she will share the tracking number with me by evening. And whenever I used to ask the tracking number from her, she would say that she hasn't got it yet. Once she gets it, she'll share it with me. And this did not happen just once, it happened almost 3 times. Weeks passed, no tracking, still the same message again and again. And I knew something was wrong because usually once the parcel is dispatched, it reaches me within 5 to 6 days. And even after 10 days, she used to tell me that she hasn't received the tracking number yet. That's when I realized it wasn't delay, it was dishonesty. And finally, between 25th to 27th December, the stock was actually dispatched and she sent me the tracking number. And I could clearly see in the tracking when did she dispatch. And it did reach me on 1st of January. I was relieved. I was really excited to open it and see it how the designs have turned out. And when I opened the boxes, I saw there were no buttons, not in a single piece she had attached buttons, and they just stitched the piece and sent it to me. And also the designs were changed, not what I had booked, not what I had approved. Also two pieces were missing even though I had paid 100% in advance months ago. And the quality was not even close to what I had received earlier. I reached out to her expecting responsibility. Instead, she told me send the stock back and pay the courier charges again both ways and they'll fix it. But I knew what that meant. It meant another month of delay. It meant paying courier charges twice and still being at risk. And when I said this wasn't fair, she became rude, no accountability, no apology. And she said, get your buttons done yourself only. They taught me something important, that sometimes growth looks like learning who you shouldn't build with. Because behind every brand you see online, there are quiet battles no one prepares you for.